the technical officials of the 2026 Palarong Pambansa, stand before you with pride, humility, and a deep sense of responsibility. We solemnly swear that we will carry out our duties with the highest degree of honesty, fairness, and integrity. We commit to uphold the rules of each sport with consistency, with impartiality, ensuring that every decision we make reflects justice and respect for all participants. We pledge to remain disciplined and professional, to treat all student athletes, coaches, and fellow officials with dignity, to serve not only as enforcers of rules, but as guardians of sportsmanship. We promise to perform our roles to the best of our abilities, free from bias, favoritism, or personal interests. Guided always by the true spirit of the Palarong Pambansa: unity, excellence, and respect for one another. In doing so, we help create a fair and a meaningful competition where every student athlete is given the chance to shine. This we swear.